Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Music man, serious. Don't touch your promoter song. Touch your promoter song. No man, I said so from where I drive. Turn it down. Turn it down. Turn it down. You said what we said. So we're not doing stuff. We are doing stuff. We are going to attention police station. I share the phone, but choose Bluetooth. Yes, I move. You know, say I'm fucking unfair. From here, I'm not going to this. I'm alone. Yeah? Yes, I'm drive past. No, just too long start, I swear. We just too long start, man. God, no, man. Brother, we drive past. No, just too long start, ask them. No, we are going to come around. Yeah, that's it. That we are doing. I know how to water. No, man, I disrespect. Is it you? No, why you say that? Don't say nothing, because we are trying to get the man out of the system. If it's she, we don't know why it's she. So why is she? What do I?
Can I get a wow? You see it? Yourself? Can you go over this? Can you come over here? Stop.
Cartel. No, you better bring that cartel a big man. Cartel and this disturb Jamaican law. Officer, not like that, man. We just take the things smooth and take that private. We get enough time, brother. True. I want to block up public here. No. I like this now. Because friend, me never know to reach so far. Yanni, Candy, it don't know. We just do the whole one and done and go. Yeah, go. Alright, you know, give them the whole wine.
Here, Candy. Where your money?
Wow. man must sabotage you, they see that. I eat this something that you know, that I don't know, you know, where
Kingston Jamaica.
no, that's why I show them a sabotage we are doing, just easy. What we are doing, we are planning something and keep it so all we can do. That we are going to do that, because them are trying to stop it. Excuse this, them are do. So come on.
No money. Yeah. Can I get a one?
Wow!
One more.
Wow!
One more.
Wow!
Call the ambulance.
Play the tune! Man, come here, go. Man, nobody play.
Don't play them getting more tickets.
Man, follow. Now go in next guy, man.
Our papi there. Our papi over there. Can they not give me snap?
Yes, the man is dusty. You see it? They'll stop the promotion, you don't know. Them, watch out now, 8 bills, you know, 8. The man them 8, the man them charge $800. Man give you $800 ticket on the road out there in our home ground. $800, you know, 8 to chat. 800, 8 rich. Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, what I just saw a while ago is a campaign that was going on, and this campaign is all about a lady that is known as Candy Wow. Candy Wow that entered in social media, got big through social media, and she started out with just slangs and a dance. You see me? She was also mentioned in a song, and now it turns out to be more than one song now that she's mentioned in, and she has now started doing music herself. So this campaign right about now is all about Candy Wow, and by somewhere, somehow, she has been approached, or should I say the whole campaign has been approached by police officers. Now this campaign includes Candy Wow and people from within her community. Probably more people joined in, but that is how the campaigning has been said to have started, people within our community and so on. It has been said that Candy Wow and Baby Lord were promoting their songs, some call it campaigning, and while they were doing so, the crowd grew more than was expected, and by that amount of numbers, it drew the attention of the police officers that then came over to Candy Wow and Baby Lord, saying that what they are doing is against the law. It has also been said that tickets were issued. However, to my knowledge, I am not sure how much tickets were issued or so on. Candy Wow has been getting a lot of support from social media and within our community. These are things that are all good and is very, very good for any artists that are trying to make it in this thing right about now. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Is it that Candy Wow is getting a fight? Because that is one of the things that has been said on social media due to the fact of this video that is out on social media that shows of police officers approaching Candy and saying that what she's doing, which is the campaign that is going on, is somehow what against the law. Do you like the way how Candy Wow is doing her thing? Is it that she's progressing, and is this a good thing that she's doing? You see me? I'm really and truly, in my point of view, I like to see someone trying in life, trying to make themselves a better person no matter what. And to be honest, this looked like a very good step for a career. You can actually see that Candy Wow has a lot of love from her community, and even more, a lot of people throughout social media have been showing Candy Wow a lot of love and support, and I see that right about now. And as always, you know, some of there, so to keep you up to date and posted, make you know what I want. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skiller! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.